Shout out to Mo Martinez for sending me stickers.
How do you know it's stickers?
I'm pretty sure it's stickers. Oh shit.
Whoa, tons of stickers.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be taking shit off and getting it ready for the hardtail. First thing we're gonna take off is this windshield. Just got the shield off. It looks better already. Next, we're gonna be removing the mirrors. Just got the mirrors off. Now we're gonna remove the saddlebag. Shout out to my sponsor, the wifey, for the snacks.
And a stout. I don't know what that means, but we had it somehow.
And then to Lynn for the cookie sponsor. Just got the bags out. It's gonna be for sale, so let me know if you guys want it. Next, we're gonna remove the seat and the backrest. This rack is gonna be for sale as well. Next, we're gonna remove the rear fender. The rear fender is out. Now we're gonna remove the front fender. Just got the front fender out. Now we're gonna remove the Speedo along with the risers and the stock handlebars. So before I take out the Speedo, let's turn it on one last time. "10,000 miles. Let's check out the horn. Turn signals are working. Both front and rear. All right, let's go ahead and take them off. I think I'm gonna take the tank off first so I can unplug the Speedo. I gotta take the airbox out first. Bars out. All right, here are the parts that I have for sale. Take a look. If you see anything you want, message me on Instagram or email me. First come, first serve. So act fast. Here's my other Sporty. It is for sale if you guys want to buy it, but right now it will only come with a bill of sale, unless you guys want to wait for the title to come, which I'm not sure when. But yeah, let me know if you want to buy it. All right, so this is the status of the bike. I still got to remove a lot of stuff to get ready for the hardtail. I'm gonna be ordering the hardtail from TC Bros, and then also the chain conversion kit as well. But yeah, bike didn't stay stock for long. I threw on these bars to that's temporary to push the bike around. So yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna remove the front pipe and the motor and everything else to get the bike ready for the next stage. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.